Hey out there, it's Casey. This is a test on my skills because of my starting of my YouTube. I have some friends who's helping me out and I appreciate it. So anyway, here we go. Cooking with a crock-pot. And we're making spaghetti sauce. Okay. 1 can of tomato soup. Right in there like that. And 1 can of whatever sauce you want to use. That cheats because you don't have to add your own spices and stuff like that. You just let everything cook. So, now, I'm a big believer in non-waste. So you get a little water, throw that in there. You know, you do a little bit of juggling here, you know, there's a little bit of that, a little bit of this, you see. Then, give it a shake. Pour that in there, and you get most of it out, and you're making a hell of a mess too. Sorry about that. But that's the name of the game. Okay. Now that we got the sauce in there, we go to our hamburger. Now this is 2 hamburger patties. I have salt and, pepper and salt already added into it, but I cooked it in the microwave so it stays time. That goes in there. How you doing down there? And garlic, of course. Beautiful, beautiful garlic. Lovely, lovely garlic. That goes in there. And your store-bought vegetables. It's already chopped up. It's easier for you. It's easier for everybody. So those go in. Excuse me, I got everything all over the place. Anyway, so you have your pot here. See, it's all full of your stuff. And you grab sort of like a spatula or whatever you got hanging around. Get it? Hanging around. Spoons hang. But anyway, so we mix. And we mix. Now, at this stage, you can add a little bit of liquid if you like. But at this stage, where it's all nice and mixed up, as you can see, I like to keep it that way. Because this, don't forget, this will be on the burner for a little while on low. So I recommend that you put this much of water, I guess. Maybe we use water this time. I was thinking about something else. Sorry about that. Okay, put a little bit of water in there. Okay. And turn it on. And that is it. Tomorrow I'll show you what the result is. And I'll serve it up with some pasta. We'll show you on how to do the pasta. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you like it, please let me know in your comments. Thank you very much, and you all have a good day. And remember, eat healthy. And you can do it on a low diet. Budget. Sorry. Bye-bye.